So I was just reading about this super lightweight S3 client called s3mini, and it's only 14K by. That's wild, right?
No way. Just 14 KB? What makes it so efficient? I mean, how do they manage to fit all those essential features inside such a tiny package?
Exactly. It averages about 15% more operations per second, too. It's designed for edge platforms like Cloudflare workers. That changes everything.
Wow, that's impressive. And it's entirely dependency-free? I bet that simplifies a lot for developers.
Right. It only implements the essential S3 APIs, so it skips the bulky stuff. It really feels like they stripped everything down to the bone.
Yeah, and it's perfect for environments with limited resources. Have they tested it on major platforms?
Totally. It's been tested on Cloudflare R2, Backblaze B2, DigitalOcean Spaces, and even MinIO, super flexible.
It's amazing that it runs on Node and Bun as well. But hold on, what if someone needs to do multi-part uploads?
Great question. It actually supports multi-part uploads. But there's a catch. You need to store the upload ID somewhere.
Oh, so it's not just a simple process then. I guess that would require some extra management?
Exactly. And they have a method for uploading parts in parallel, but if you overload it, you could hit throttling.
That's a delicate balance for sure. I wonder how that impacts performance in real-world applications.
The beauty is that it optimizes essential tasks without the bloat. Think of it as a sports car versus a massive truck.
Such a good analogy. Speed and efficiency over carrying capacity. But are there limitations they mention?
Yes, they specifically state no browser support due to the reliance on Node APIs. That's a bit of a downside.
Ah, that makes sense. It's like sticking to the core strengths of back-end computing while leaving browsers out.
Exactly. And they even recommend using environment variables for sensitive info. I love that they prioritize security.
That's so crucial these days. I always worry about hard-coded secrets in code. It's a recipe for disaster.
Right, and it's interesting how they invite community contributions but keep things lightweight. Smart move.
Yeah, the open source approach is cool. It keeps evolving with user involvement, but they won't let it get bloated.
Exactly. They encourage contributions while maintaining that lightweight philosophy. It's refreshing to see.
So what's the process for contributing? Seems like a welcoming environment.
They encourage people to report issues on GitHub and suggest new features. Sounds like a great collaboration zone.
Definitely. And the whole no one reads the code of conduct, but it's there for a reason bit is hilarious yet so real.
It really captures that community spirit, and it's vital for keeping everything respectful and constructive.
So if I were to dive in, I'd need to remember to focus on not adding heavy dependencies, right?
Absolutely. It's all about maintaining speed without sacrificing quality. Their lightweight philosophy is key.
I find it fascinating, like this whole approach might influence new trends in how we build services.
Oh, wow, it could. Imagine if more projects focused on efficiency over complexity. We'd see a huge shift.
Totally. It could democratize access to powerful tools without the need for heavy infrastructure.
And that's a game changer for startups and indie developers, right? Making tech more accessible.
Exactly. It'd be fascinating to see the innovations that come from that kind of accessibility.
So maybe the bigger takeaway here is how foundational efficiency can spark mammoth changes in the tech landscape.
Yes, if just one tool like s3mini inspires more lightweight projects, we could see an entire ecosystem shift.
And all that from a little 14K library. Who knew such small ideas could hold big potential?
Right? It's all about what we choose to focus on. Makes you rethink the whole bigger is better narrative.
Totally. Okay, I'm definitely going to explore s3mini. It's got me curious about what else is out there.
Me too. Let's keep an eye on these lightweight trends. It would be cool to see how they evolve.
For sure. Who knows what hidden gems we'll uncover next? This conversation has me excited.
Same here. We'll have to circle back and share any cool findings. Lightweight tech is the future.